Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that while you were sleeping, your bank balance increased. No 9-to-5 job, no boss, no stress, just money flowing into your account. Sounds like a dream, right? But today, I'm going to show you 10 real passive income ideas that can make this dream a reality. Stay till the end because the last one is a secret strategy that millionaires use. Start a blog and monetize with ads. Blogging is one of the easiest ways to create passive income. Write about something you love: finance, tech, health, even food. Once your blog gets traffic, Google AdSense pays you every time someone sees an ad. Some bloggers make $10,000 per month just from ads. 9. Create an online course. Do you have a skill? Maybe you're great at coding, fitness, or even photography. What if I told you that you could record a course once and sell it forever? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare let you earn while you sleep. Some course creators make over $100,000 a year. 8. Dividend stock investing. Want money coming into your account without working at all? Dividend stocks are the answer. You buy stocks of companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, or Tesla, and they pay you just for owning their shares. Imagine investing $10,000 and getting paid every few months, forever. 7. Sell digital products. Wouldn't it be amazing to sell a product without ever touching it? Digital products like ebooks, templates, and planners sell like crazy on Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify. Once uploaded, you keep making money while you sleep. 6. Affiliate marketing. No product needed. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways to earn passive income. You don't need your own product, just promote others. Share a link to Amazon, ClickBank, or any online store, and every time someone buys, you earn a commission. Some affiliate marketers make $50K per month. 5. Rent out property or Airbnb a room. Footage idea. Owning real estate, igual. Guaranteed passive income. You can rent out a property or even just one room on Airbnb and make $1,000, $5,000 per month. And the best part? You don't have to do anything. Just collect the rent. 4. YouTube automation. No face required. Don't want to show your face? No problem. Faceless YouTube channels make thousands every month just by using stock footage and AI voices. Videos keep earning money forever. 3. Write and sell a book or ebook. Ever wanted to be an author? Now's the best time. You can self-publish an ebook on Amazon Kindle and make passive income for years. One book selling just $10 per day makes you $300 per month. 2. Sell an app or software, even without coding. You don't have to be a programmer. Hire a freelancer to build an app for you and sell it on the App Store or Play Store. Even a simple subscription-based app can make you $10,000 per month. 1. Print-on-demand business. Sell merch with no inventory. Print-on-demand is one of the easiest businesses to start. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. Companies like Printify and Redbubble do everything for you. You just collect the money. Which of these passive income ideas excites you the most? Comment below. And if you want more money-making secrets, subscribe now. The best part? These strategies work for anyone.